Welcome to marketKing. In today's video, I just want to focus on one thing that I see a lot of online trading companies miss and that they get wrong. This is something that can negatively affect your bank balance as well as your company. The first thing that they focus on is social media, okay? They hire a social media expert to build a beautiful social media page with beautiful reels and beautiful things on there, designs, and then they ask, why isn't my business growing? Okay? Because social media is the last thing that any company should focus on, especially when it's just for awareness. If there's social media ads running, or Google ads, or a YouTube channel that attracts people, that's great. That's what you want to focus on. But hiring someone to solely focus on your social medias to make nice designs and posting, that's not gonna get anyone inside your business yet. The first place where you should focus is to get people watching, okay? If no one's watching your social media, then your social media has no function. It just looks good to you. So let me quickly draw this picture of a house, okay? Just to make this a little bit clearer. Okay, so a lot of companies, what they do is when they start out, they are building a beautiful home. Okay, that's what people see from the outside. They see this home. That's the social media account. But if no one's watching or knows about your beautiful home, then this is basically non-existent. No one sees it, okay? There's no one walking past the house, no one there at the front door ready to welcome them in, okay? That's a problem. The first thing that you want to focus on is getting your product in front of people and getting contact details. That's it, especially when you start out. You want contact details. Why? Because with those contact details, you can actually invite people into your home. They can start watching your beautiful house. They can see your house, okay? Then you can start worrying about building your authority. Okay, so a lot of people, they try to build authority, but there's no one watching, okay? So if there's no way that you can actually take people to your house to see your beautiful house and see who's standing in the front door ready to invite them in, then this is non-existent. You're wasting your money on social media experts if you don't have this done correctly. If people are watching, then this is becoming an asset, okay? But that's not the first thing that you focus on. The first thing that you have to focus on is get your products, get your services, get your mentorship, get your courses in front of people, collect email addresses and cell phone numbers, okay? And send people to watch your home. Okay, so if there's no one to show it to, then you're essentially wasting your money and you're essentially wasting your time. Because if no one's watching, there's no one to invite in. Okay, so first, make sure there's a row of people that want to watch out your house, and then you start to invite them in, and you invite them in for a coffee. You sit down with them and you sell your products. But without the system to actually get people to the house, you are wasting your time. Okay, I see a lot of trading companies do this. I don't want you to fall into that trap. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to comment in the comment section below if you have any other sales and marketing topics you want me to cover. And remember to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.